Colony Foods started in 1987. Three brothers started the company: Joseph Barbagallo, Michael Barbagallo, and Paul Barbagallo. That ownership group grew to my brother Derek Barbagallo, myself, Joseph Barbagallo, and my cousin Paul Jason Barbagallo. Basically, the products we're carrying is for fast casual, quick service, eat-in type style restaurants. The original customer base was a lot of delicatessen, but delicatessens don't really exist the way they used to. So now we see a lot of pizzerias, a lot of sandwich shops. We see a lot of sit-down, fast family-style eateries, and the product line has sort of evolved into take care of that segment of restaurant. When the three brothers decided to start Colony Foods, they realized quickly that to be a real distributor, they needed warehouse space to purchase product. They found a warehouse in Lawrence, Massachusetts, and started in a small 7,000 square foot wing of a warehouse that was existing. And they rented that space with the option to buy. And eventually, we were able to grow into a space of approximately 34,000 square feet, including freezer, refrigeration, refrigerated dock, and as well as off-site storage facility. So this is the new freezer facility here at Colony Foods. This is probably about 10 years old now. As you can see, lots of frozen products, from French fries to mozzarella sticks to meatballs to chicken fingers and chicken cutlets, frozen vegetables. I think when the brothers first got together and started Colony Foods in 1987, they had this vision of getting to this point and this size and the ability to really truly service their customers with all the appropriate products necessary to maintain a successful restaurant. You know, being a distributor, we have a responsibility to protect our customers, to protect our investment in the product, and most importantly, to protect the customers of our customers, which sometimes are my own children and my own family. So the food needs to be kept at temperature all the time, because we never want to put anyone at risk. That is a tremendous responsibility that we take very seriously. So we invest heavily in our refrigeration units, in our trucks, in the way we handle these products. So in 2023, we had Energy Source and NRM come in and take a look at what we could do to efficientize and our refrigeration and our freezer units, to take not only just efficientize the system, but also to give us peace of mind. Even though we're a 24-hour company, we're only 5 days a week. We're not here on weekends, but our product always needs to be refrigerated, always needs to be frozen, and always needs to be kept at temperature. And the NRM system gives us that peace of mind and constantly tells us what's transpiring with the system at any given point and alerts us if there's an issue.
As you can see here, we have our state-of-the-art NRM system, which was recently installed. So not only what does this provide is giving us state-of-the-art efficiencies for the company, it also shows us exactly what is going on under this roof. As you can see, it's broken down by individual zones. So every single aspect of this company is monitored 24/7, 365 days a year. If we have any questions, we have any problems, we have a 24-hour access tech support, which helps us determine what the problems are. In addition to this, we get notifications. Not only do I get them, the owners get them, but also our refrigeration company gets them. So what it does is it prevents any problems, any questions immediately are brought to our attention, and it can be handled spot on.
Most importantly, the NRM system maintains and tells our refrigeration and our freezers when to turn off and on, so they're not constantly running. In today's day of restaurant supply, food wholesale distribution, a lot of the foods that we're selling are becoming more processed. So there's a greater need for refrigeration and freezer space. And so as we build that refrigeration and as we build that freezer space and we make sure that the temperature is controlled on the products that we sell, we realize that there's a greater expense to our own business and how we're distributing the goods. So now we have to look at alternative ways that we can offset the costs of building our warehouse and making sure that our product is taken care of, because we're now incurring the cost, a higher cost of energy, electricity, as well as manpower. And it's difficult to pack that into the price of penne pasta. It's hard to charge a customer twice the price for penne pasta because now we have a greater cost to store the goods responsibly. So we start to look for alternative measures to save money on our electrical costs. The reason those fans are off at the moment is because they're cycling. Part of the efficiency process is that our new monitoring system, our NRM system, actually tells our refrigeration units when they need to be running, because the temperature needs to be controlled to protect the product.
So one of the other benefits of this was that it was a painless transition during the install, during having the technicians on site. All the headaches went directly to them. They knew what the job was. They handled it with 150% professionalism, making sure the job was done correctly, checking in whenever there was any questions, and making sure that everything was set up to our specifications.